What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha Holden, here to guide you through your quarantine with just a few tips and tricks. So if you like random singing and worship videos, then this is the place that you should be. And if you like what you see, you want to learn how to get this look, stay tuned. Let's get started, shall we? I'm gonna start off with my Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder here in my T-zone area. I did a really good skincare routine today. And so my skin is looking right. I almost hate to put makeup on, but it's okay. And so I'm in here in Connecticut, and child, they talking about it's supposed to snow. I can't even take it. In May. Welcome to New England. Trash. All right, so Fenty Beauty, we're using the True Matte Primer. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna press this here. All of a sudden I'm smelling ginger, and I forgot I boiled some ginger, put it in hot water and honey, and it's sitting in front of me. I'm like, that smells like ginger. No, dummy, it's your tea. Yeah, pray for me. Next, I'm gonna use my Corrector from LA Girl. Blend that out. I'm using my Minted foundation brush. I just like the way it buffs out, and it's pretty small, so I can get it done quicker. And your brushes can be multi-purpose, why not? And then for under the eye, I'm just gonna use a smaller brush. I wanna be more gentle under the eye. And blend that out. I want no appearance of dark circles. So the wind is kicking up and I'm right in front of my window. And so yeah, it should be fun. But it did say it was gonna be windy today, so I probably already smelled snow. Snow in May. Next, use your flower, Beauty Bakerie. Love it, love it, love it. Can't get enough of it. And next, our Softwear Matte Foundation from Fenty. And usually I let foundations sit, especially matte foundations or matter foundations, but I'm noticing that these dry down pretty fast. And because I also have on a matte, like a true matte primer and a mattifying powder underneath, it's drying down even faster. So I'm glad that everything's working well together. I just gotta move fast. I'm gonna set that with my YSL All Hours setting powder. All right, so I did my eyebrows off camera and I did all of my concealer. I'm letting my YSL All Hours Concealer settle down a little bit because I want a little bit more brightness under the eye. So I'm gonna go in with my Shiseido Shimmering Cream Eye Color. This one is in the color PK214, PK meaning pink, and it looks like that. We're doing a very beautiful Mother's Day look. Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. And this is basically a cream eyeshadow that I'm using to act as my base. Because once it's on and it dries down, it's like pretty solid. So I use that underneath all of my pinker tones. This wind is something else, it's crazy. And so I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Yes, that's exactly what I want. And for today's look, we're gonna do the Naked Cherry palette by Urban Decay. I literally only have this one Naked palette because, yeah, I just like this palette the most out of all of them. So we're gonna go into Bing right now. And I'm gonna take my fluffy brush. This is gonna be my transition color. And the only reason why I'm using this one today is like a lot of pink tones. And as you can see, I'm wearing a black top today. So I want a lot of color. I want all of the color to be in my face. So we're gonna do some bingy bing. And with a different fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this color right next to it, and it's called Devilish. And I'm gonna take that and go right under Bing. So now I'm just starting to build my color. So it's the lighter pink to the darker pink. And then next, I'm gonna go into this color here, the very last color in the palette, and that one is called Privacy. That's gonna go right under Devilish, but also in the outer corner. So I'm gonna start it here and bring it up into the crease. So you can kind of pack it on the outer corner of your lid and then blend it in the crease. So that's just gonna deepen what we already have and add a little bit more definition to the socket. And following that, I'm gonna go into this color right here called Bang Bang. And we're gonna put that all over the lid up to a point. So I'm just gonna go to the inner part of my eye, right up to the crease. Flip my brush over, and I'm gonna go into this color here, and it's called Young Love. And I'm taking that and I'm putting that right here in the middle, just to go ahead and blend right into the darker color. So what you have now is from the light fading into the dark. Fading into the dark. That wasn't the lyrics, I should say. And I like that Young Love a lot. So I'm just gonna take the tip of my brush, dip in there, and then run that under in my lower lash line. So from the corner into the darker color that I made. Like that. So what are you guys getting mom for Mother's Day this year? I'm just gonna keep it simple because, you know, we're quarantining. With this color here, it's called Turn On. Right there. I'm gonna take that and put that in my inner corner because I just feel like I need it. So I want it. And I'll put that there. And also go ahead and put that in your brow if you want. That's your business. And no liquid liner for me today. I'm just gonna use my regular pencil liner from the hair store. And I'm gonna line my lashes just to define them a little bit more. Put it in your waterline as well, okay? So right in here. Don't pull down on your waterline, just put your finger in, let it pop, and then put it right in there. This is a very delicate area here, so you don't wanna pull, you don't wanna be gentle. So for blush, I'm gonna use my MAC, and this one is called Rap Candy. And by the way, are you following me on Beauty Tab yet? If you're not, what are you waiting for? Super exciting stuff taking place. You can get your skin looking right for the summertime. And then I'm gonna go in with Nightmoth to line my lips. And then I got this from the hair store. It's from Kiss and it's called Bearberry. goes with our whole cherries theme. Yay. And just to brighten it up just a little bit so it can kind of go with the eye, I'm gonna put on my ColourPop Ellarie collection. This one is in the color of Steelo. All right, beauties, that's your look. Thank you so much for joining me today. And again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms, but especially my mom, who's quite amazing. And after all the things that she's been through, she's the strongest woman that I know. So shout out to you, Mom. Thank you for everything. And you know what to do. Click like and share, subscribe to the channel, and get the book. I'm the author of Beauty Basics 101, The Beginner's Guide to Skincare and Makeup. I'd love to get you through your quarantine with new skincare. So go ahead and go to Beauty Tap, create your own profile, and then follow me. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for your support. God loves you, and I do too. Bye.